Can we just take a second to really appreciate this shirt because I love it. Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. I am a makeup artist and a book lover, and let's get into today's video, which is going to be my go-to grungy fall look. I love a really good grungy fall look, especially on those cooler days. I'm going to make this super easy, super simple, not overly complicated, and no lashes. Strictly heavy mascara because that's the vibe. So I'm going to be priming with my Anastasia eye primer. Now you don't have to technically, if you don't want to use an eye primer for a grungy look. I just want to make sure that this lasts through all day. Alright, so this idea came to me literally when I'm filming this. It's Friday the 13th. On the 12th I filmed with my Trick or Treat palettes, and I got this idea mid-filming with this. So this is the palette I'm going to use. As I'm filming this on this lovely Friday, this palette and the entire collection was restocked. So the idea came to me to do this look from the shade here. This is Werewolves. I am obsessed, and I'm going to take this Smashbox brush and I'm going to dip right in, tap off the excess, and I'm going to start patting that all over my lid. You see that is like a perfect grungy shade. Pat it on. I'm not concerned about blending just yet. This is more about getting it placed on the lid over that primer. That's kind of like the general shape that I'm going for. I am a huge fan of grungy looks, 90s grunge. I am a 90s baby, born in 91. You do the math, I'm old. I do love how a look like this comes together, and typically grunge, the messier the better. So have that laid out. Same brush, no additional product, just whatever's on the brush. I'm going to start blending this out. Now I really like taking the shadow all the way up to the front of my brow. You don't have to do that. I just really like the look and how blown out it is. Gonna pick up a little bit more and add it to this outer edge and just, you know, deepen it a bit. Again, working all one shade. Now I'm gonna pick up this brush. This is the Moda Pro BMX 466 shade. I really like this shape for my lower lash lines. I'm going to go in with that same shade, build it up, and this I'm going to just run right under all the way across. Basically, take inspiration from Uncle Fester and you're golden. So depending on your preference, you can pull this down as far as you like. I like a really smoky lower lash line, so I'm going to pull it pretty far. But you see how grungy and just wonderful this is, and it's just one shade. Going back in with that first brush just because it's a little bit bigger and just really blend in under there. And now I'm going in with my KVD liner. This is the tattoo pencil liner in Trooper Black. I'm going to put this in the waterline, and then I'm also going to tightline with this. Very simple. I'm going to take, yeah, a little bit on the top lash line. Just a smidge. And then I'm going to go in with that smaller brush, pick up a little bit more Werewolves, close my eye, and just smudge it. And like, it's not much, but it gives a little bit more definition to the eye. I love doing a look like this. So simple, so easy. Just going back in a little extra for that shade, just really buffing that under the eye. Now, you can go in with a color on your inner corner. I'm kind of just leaving it my natural skin tone. I'm going to just make sure that all up here is blended. Just a final blend. Like I said, the messier the better. Channel your inner Uncle Fester. One shadow, and I love it. To this point, I'm going to curl my lashes. This I got forever ago. I should probably get a new lash curler. This looks like toenail clippers, not gonna lie, but it really gets in the corners, and that's all I can ask for, because my lashes are weird and they kind of like grow, not like facing down, but like they just angle down, and it's hard to get like a traditional lash curler to get all my lashes curled. Now is the time for mascara. I am going to go in with two, I think. So I have the Tarantula mascara from Apple Doll, and I have the new Anastasia one, which I got in my BoxyCharm or Ipsy, whatever. So I'm going to start with the Apple Doll one. This is what this one looks like. It's not my favorite mascara, but I do like the effect it gives. I do have a discount code with Apple Dow. I'll have that all listed down below. But just a couple. That's not bad. I haven't used this in a while. Maybe it dried out a bit and that's why I like it more. Okay, not horrible, but with the grungy look, I like to do a lot of layers. Mascara, let it dry, and then you can scrape it off. But that is the Apple Dow on the top, and I think I'm going to use the Anastasia on the bottom. Why not? We'll put the Anastasia one up top too. That'll be 3 coats of mascara. I should get mascara everywhere. I have to really let all that dry and finish my makeup. The garbage truck is outside. It's pretty loud. I'm going to let this mascara dry. I'm going to pick out a lip, do something with my hair, and I will be back to finish out this video. Alright, and here is the finished makeup look. I love how I look. I love this look so much. It is a go-to. Now, technically, I will say, do you need to buy this whole palette just to do this look? No, no. You just gotta find a shade that's similar to that and then go ham with it. If you're curious, on my lips, I went in with my Farmacy Apple Lip Smoothie to hydrate my lips. And then I put the Rare Beauty Tinted Lip Oil in Hope. Anyways, let me know what you think of this look. As I've said multiple times, I absolutely love it. It's my favorite sort of look to do. It makes me feel cute and it's easy. So easy. So I'll have all my makeup details listed down below if you're interested in that. And like I said, I do have a code with Creature Cosmetics. It's ASH10, I believe. I have a hard time remembering what my discount codes are, but everything for every brand that I am affiliated with discount codes is listed down below. So make sure you make use of the description box. There's a ton of info down there. So yeah, if you want to keep up with me on my other socials, I'm artistryxashh everywhere. And if you want more book content, I'm Devouring Bookishly on TikTok and Instagram. Still need to work on doing book content over there. I suck at it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!